Yeah, here's the jet skiers for Trump. Hey Pam, I don't know if you can see me or not.
I like that flag right there. I like that one.
Now here's a Trump Pence flag. Let's not forget that Pence is the vice president. Oh, and she's got a little mini flag there too.
4 more years. 4 more years to freedom.
There's a Trump chain placard. There's a Trump No More BS flag right there.
Check out that scarab over there. That's a badass boat. Check out that scarab over there. It's a badass boat.
Which one?
That scarab, that white scarab.
Scarab?
Yeah, it's a jet boat.
Oh, a big old jet boat we got here.
Speedboat.
Let me see if I can get in front here.
Right there
it is. There's a boat here called a Scarab, and it's supposed to be a super jet boat.
Racing boat.
Yeah, a racing boat. Maybe if we kill her out, he'll see him fly. Oh, we got some people holding their flags here. These people are dedicated. Hey, Ashley, I don't know if you want to... Ashley, you want to be on camera? I can, some people I can bring on camera and some people can't. There's the big boat. And she's doing like a repeated song.
See that party barge, all them guys over there?
Yeah.
That's where I want to be. I think that's Scott's boat.
Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of a seat here. Oh, man. There's the drone.
Well, then get over there by that big ass boat so we can hear some music. Go that way. Go that way. Get in behind this boat.
We're in the parade for a little bit. We left, and some other people were not, but... These folks right here, they're dedicated. This lady's holding her flags.